What up, people? So it's been a while. I had a lot going on, and so just as usual, life hits you, and then you realize, every day's not promised. So with that said, I did have a death in the family last week, and it kind of hurt. So just been kind of on the DL, trying to get my attitude in check because I do have a lot of anger issues, and just trying to take it easy. So, but good news is good things are coming. It's just I know I keep saying that, and like I said, life happens. So I'm not perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. So, uh, but I do got some things happening, and there's going to be some change into the Ram 50 project as far as engine and transmission choice. Um, Came across a good deal, and I just need to pull the trigger. So I'm just waiting on to um, just trying to finish paying off my current debt, credit card, and stuff like that, which I should be paid off by the end of this month. And once that's paid off, and then I could start dipping into my personal account and start having some fun. Um, so that's that for the Ram 50. Um, the Chevy S10 that you've seen a couple times, it is for sale. A friend of mine is about to put it up for sale soon. Honestly, John, if you're listening, I might just buy it from you, bro. Honestly, or we could work something out. But yeah, it just that's for sale. So once the weather warms up a bit, I'm in my shed, so that's the reason why I'm wearing a tank top, because it's nice and warm in here because I got a heater on. But yeah, once we get better weather, and I'll start working on the Ram 50 some more. I am going to be purchasing a welder here in a couple weeks, probably the first or second week of March. So if anybody has a welder, I don't need nothing crazy. Just looking for a MIG welder that I could put gas with, and something under $700. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. DM me or just email me if you got my email, or just DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Other than that, once I get that welder and I learn how to weld and teach myself how to weld, the projects will be going a lot quicker. The BMW, I gotta bring that here to my house. That's a project that it's not gonna happen right away, but right now I'm thinking 2JZ big turbo and fucking TH400 transmission built, and then just make a fun, somewhat street legal drag car. Nothing crazy, just some fun for me. Other than that, I don't know if I've ever mentioned. Excuse me. Let me put this down here. Don't know if I've ever mentioned, but I do have a couple bikes I picked up, but one I'm really focusing on is this old school Schwinn, which is right here. So I'm actually gonna take that apart and take it apart and see how far I can get and clean up the frame a bit, and if I feel funky enough, I'll probably put some paint stripper and strip the paint off of it. But this is going to be just a personal project, because I built one when I was a lot younger. I think I was like 14 years old, I think. And it was a fun project, but I had to get rid of it because life. But yeah, so I'm gonna build this up. Don't know what I'm going to do with it completely, but it is going to have new spoke wheels, white wall tires, probably metallic flake paint, or maybe a pearl or candy. Not sure. A lot of YouTubers are fucking painting their shit purple, and it's fucking pissing me off because that shit was my fucking color back in the day. And it still is, but I don't know. I might flake it out a really heavy flake purple. And white seat, white hand grips, and probably a little bit of gold accents on it. Not a whole lot. I'm not a gold person, but some chrome with a little bit of gold on this thing will be pretty dope. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to tear this bike apart. Unfortunately, I don't have a handle or tripod for this camera, so I can't do, you know, like a time lapse of me working on it. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to stop this video and then just get to me having the bike torn apart. Alright, let's go. What up? So I got the bike all taken apart and everything. Was gonna strip the frame, strip the paint off of it and get cleaned up, but I don't have any brushes here at all. So I'll do that probably this weekend when I can go to the Lowe's and pick up some supplies. So yeah, check this out. So the frame is pretty much naked. Gonna cut the kickstand bracket off, and because I won't need it, and then I'm not gonna reuse the front fork, not reusing the wheels. Well, I don't know if I could clean them up and at least, I don't know, I'll check the pricing on the wheels. If they're not too bad, I'll probably buy some new ones. If not, I could probably reuse these and take the spokes out and get them cleaned up and get the rims cleaned up and re-chromed. We'll see what prices are, because I haven't looked up at prices for lowrider bikes in such a long time. The beach bar, definitely not using. That chain I'm probably going to clean up and make a bracelet out of, honestly. It's pretty cool. And the seat, the crank, handlebar mount, not going to use it all. The kickstand, I'm not going to use it all. Don't pay attention to my shed floor, and hopefully by the end of March I can redo the floor in here and then reorganize, because it is a mess here. So oh yeah. So with that said, I just wanted to put some content out, let y'all know I'm still here, I'm not going nowhere. Like I said, just shit happens, life happens, and it sucks to lose a family member, especially when you haven't talked to them in such a long time. And yeah, so yeah, just don't stay away from your family if you can. Keep in touch with them and do your thing and keep moving forward, get shit done, and yeah, just keep it moving no matter what. Alright, take it easy. Bye.